Hello. This video is to practice your speaking skills with our previous story, The Great Pyramids. You can watch it from card above. Now, repeat after Grace.
Hello, my name is Grace. Hello, my name is Grace. I'm a world traveler. I'm a world traveler. I go to the different countries around the world. I go to the different countries around the world to visit their tourist sites. To visit their tourist sites. Today, I am in Cairo. Today, I am in Cairo, the capital of Egypt. The capital of Egypt. I have come here to explore the ancient pyramids. I have come here to explore the ancient pyramids. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. And I leave the hotel to join our tour group. And I leave the hotel to join our tour group. Ahmad will be our tour guide. Ahmad will be our tour guide. He has researched Egyptian history for years. Egyptian history for years. And he is an expert archaeologist. And he is an expert archaeologist. We get into the car. We get into the car and head towards the pyramids. And head towards the pyramids. After an hour, we reach the pyramids. After an hour, we reach the pyramids. They are enormous. They are enormous. Much bigger than I imagined. Much bigger than I imagined. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Ahmad says. Ahmad says. There are many pyramids in Egypt. There are many pyramids in Egypt. But the Great Pyramids of Giza are the largest and oldest. Are the largest and oldest. These three pyramids are more than 4,500 years old. Are more than 4,500 years old. The biggest pyramid is built from 23 million stones. The biggest pyramid is built from 23 million stones. And each stone weighs about 20 to 30 tons. And each stone weighs about 20 to 30 tons. Then we enter one of the pyramids. Then we enter one of the pyramids. Inside the pyramid, there are narrow and dark pathways. There are narrow and dark pathways. We move forward. We move forward. And there are some rooms. And there are some rooms. And also some stone coffins inside. And also some stone coffins inside. But we don't have permission to go to all parts of the pyramid to go to all parts of the pyramid because it might damage these ancient artifacts. Because it might damage these ancient artifacts. Many secrets of these pyramids are still unknown. Many secrets of these pyramids are still unknown. After exploring inside the pyramid, we come out of it. And Ahmad says, in other smaller pyramids, there are some writings on their walls. These writings are a series of prayers and spells. That people at that time believed would help the kings after their death. Next to the pyramids, there is also a very large stone statue. It's called the Sphinx. And it has the head of a human. And the body of a lion. Some parts of it are damaged. People at that time believed that this statue would protect the Great Pyramids of Giza. I go next to this statue and take a few pictures of it. It was an excellent trip. Egypt is a historical country. That attracts many tourists every year. Because of its ancient monuments.
Great job. You did well. You can watch new stories from videos above.